Loaded cheese fries, crisp, golden, choosy, and made fresh for America. Hey, y'all. Love my Chicago hot dog? Now get ready. Loaded cheese fries. Here are every single ingredient you need for loaded cheese fries. 2 cups. Skin-on russet potatoes cut thick. You earned your place here. These are gonna be incredible fries. Soak those cut fries in cold water 30 minutes, removes excess starch perfectly. Completely intentional quality check. Pat those fries completely dry, Ariad. Moisture is the enemy of crispy perfection.
I was not startled. I was testing my reflexes. Oil heated to 325 degrees for the first fry, low and slow first.
Intentionally pale. This is on purpose, y'all. Trust the process. Butter and flour roux. Cook it 6 seconds for a perfect base. Warm milk into the roux, whisk smooth, then sharp cheddar goes in. It's happening. Smoked paprika, hot sauce, garlic powder. This cheese sauce is pure perfection. This sauce could end wars. Thick cut bacon cooked crispy and crumbled. The loaded topping that makes everything better. Last time I touched my eye after jalapeños. Fresh jalapeno rounds sliced thin. They bring the perfect heat to everything. 375 degrees for the second fry. DHT, S is where the magic happens, y'all. Pile those gorgeous crispy fries into the cast iron, get them all in. Crispy bacon crumble and fresh jalapeno rounds. The loaded toppings are going on. That one's a bunny, that one's a mountain, or just perfectly placed sour cream. Sour cream dollops and fresh chives. Smoked paprika dusted over everything. The final sacred finishing touch. Look at that cheese pull. Oh, America, love.
Loaded cheese fries. Crispy, cheesy, loaded with love for all of America. Thank you for America. If you enjoyed this video and want more delicious recipes, like, subscribe, share. Thank you, America.